G'day! In today's video we've got a Samsung Galaxy SM-T355Y and this is Galaxy Tab A 8-inch. I'm not sure of the year of this one and I need to do a factory reset on it. With the device powered off, I believe I should be able to hold home, volume up and power, and I'll just keep holding all three at once. I know I can get into recovery mode by holding home, volume down and power, or into flash mode, which I don't want to flash this device, I just want to wipe it without the password due to a crashing One UI. Hoping. There we go. Now I'm going to release the buttons. It says installing system update. I feel like we press down, up. No, I'm just going to give that a minute. Kidding while we wait. There we go, no command. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now once we get to this menu, so I've just pressed power, I just tapped each button individually. But now once we're at this screen here, I can use the volume up and down buttons, wipe data, factory reset, and press the power button to confirm. I'm going to go yes. You may require your Google account after here to be re-entered to be able to unlock the device to continue using it. Google Factory Reset Protection, I believe is what it's called. There we go, I'm going to press power to reboot it. This may predate the Google Factory Reset Protection, but either way, this should become hopefully a bit more usable rather than it crashing every time that it was. Anyway, I'm going to catch you later. Have a good day. Bye.